In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add GIFs to Trello cards. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to start by opening your Trello card. So head over to Trello.com and log into your account. Once you're in, navigate to the specific board where you're working. You know, the board where you want to spice things up with some animated GIFs. Now, find the card where you want to add the GIF. A quick click on that card will open up all the details you need. Now you should see all kinds of options and information about the card you just opened. To add your GIF, you are going to want to access the Attachments menu. Inside the card window, take a look for the section labeled Add. It's usually pretty easy to find. Once you've located that, go ahead and click on Attachments. This will bring up a new set of options for you. Next, you're going to click on Choose File. This action will open up your device's file browser where you can access all your files stored on your computer. Now, if you already have that perfect GIF downloaded, fantastic! Go ahead and locate that file. It might take a moment to find it, so don't rush. Take your time to ensure you select the right one. Once you've found your GIF, click on it to choose it for upload. This will initiate the upload process, and you should see some indication that the file is being attached to your Trello card. Once the upload is finished, you'll notice that your GIF will appear right there in the Attachments area of the card. How cool is that? You can now see the animated GIF among the other attachments. Remember, adding GIFs can really make your Trello boards vibrant and engaging. It can be a fun way to communicate updates or add a bit of humor to your tasks. Plus, if you work with a team, it's a great way for everyone to get on the same page. Quite literally. So to recap, you logged into Trello, found the specific card you wanted to enhance, accessed the Attachments menu, and uploaded your GIF. Just like that, you've added a little spark to your Trello cards. If you're excited to start using GIFs in your board and want to keep learning, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. Your support helps me create more helpful content just like this. And that's it for today. I hope you found this tutorial on how to add GIFs to Trello cards helpful. Give it a try and have fun enhancing your Trello experience with some animated flair. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.